What's up guys, Mills is here and welcome back to a new video. In this video I will show you must download app. The app that I will show you today is a great social app and it's alternative to Facebook. This app offers almost all the features in Facebook, such as posting photos, videos, stories and others. This app is Mewe Network. As you can see guys, this is the app. This app is very beautiful and it contains almost all the features found in Facebook. This app is of course concerned with privacy a lot more than the Facebook app. We all know that Facebook steals your data, but this app will protect your data. Alright guys, as you can see here, this is the app and now I will open it. As you can see guys, this is the main interface of the app. Of course, from here guys, you can create a story, which is completely similar to the one on Facebook, as it will disappear after 24 hours. You can easily create a new story and use an image, video, or even a GIF photo. From here, you can easily edit the images, write texts, change their colors, add lines, and more. Of course guys, after you finish editing the photo or video, you can choose where you want to share it. You can share it with your contacts only, or you can publish it to the public. Okay, I will choose public. Now I will share the story. It's very similar to the one on Facebook. You can also view the public posts from here and browse through many posts such as the Facebook app. You can also like the post, write a comment, or share it with your friends. We also don't forget that you can post anything you want, just like Facebook. Of course, here you can add an image, video, GIF photo, and others. You can post freely and without any restrictions. This app is really beautiful. This app is the best choice if you are looking for an alternative to Facebook. I tried this app and it's really very similar to the Facebook, but it differs from Facebook a lot, as this app is concerned with privacy more than Facebook. This app also provides you with an option to create your own group, or you can follow many groups or create a public group and others. Also guys, you can chat with your friends directly from within the app. Thus you will be able to chat with anyone you want. Okay guys, this app is very beautiful and it's a good alternative app to Facebook app. But it's better than Facebook in terms of privacy and protection of users' data. You can download the app for free from the App Store. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.